These are the LEDs. Notice that one leg is longer than the other. That shows polarity. We want to take our wire cutter and we want to take the short side of our LED and we want to cut the short side shorter. We want to use the tip of the wire cutter in order to cut. You don't want to have the wire cutter fed all the way in, because then you're going to come across and snip both leads and you're not going to know. So we want to use the tip of the wire cutter in order to cut that. When you are finished, you want to have 4 LEDs and the short leg is all cut in half. Next, we're going to take our LEDs. We're going to put them into the LED holder block. We're going to take and bend the wires over. Then we're going to dump them all out on the table. Take our LED light strip holder. We're going to put that over the top. We're going to grab 2 small pieces of tape. Tape the LED light strip holder down. Put your LEDs in so that the short LED legs are going to the right. Short LED legs are going to the right. And the long LED leads are going to the left. Next, we're going to take our hot glue gun and we're going to hot glue the LEDs in place. All you need is a little bit of hot glue on each LED, making sure that the hot glue is touching the LED and the wood. Don't touch the tip of the hot glue gun. The hot glue is hot. Next, we're going to solder the LEDs together. You want to put the soldering iron on top of the LED leads. Count to yourself in your head, 1, 2, 3, to heat the wire up. Add the solder to the tip of the soldering iron. Remove the solder, remove the soldering iron. Then you're going to continue doing the other 2 connections. Next, we're going to trim off the excess leads from the LEDs. We're going to bend up the excess lead, and we're going to take our wire stripper and we're going to trim all 3 of those off. Next, we're going to take a plain bare wire and we need to strip off the excess insulation. We want to use the 3rd hole on the wire stripper. We want it to be the thickness, width of our pinky, and then we're going to strip off to expose the bare wire underneath. Next, we're going to take our battery snap and we're going to take the black side of the battery snap and solder it onto the short side of the LEDs. Next, we're going to take the red side of the battery snap and we're going to solder it to one of the terminals on the switch. Next, we're going to take our plain wire and we're going to solder that to the other terminal on the switch. Next, we're going to take the other side of the plain wire and we're going to solder it to the long side of the LED. This is the wire that comes from the switch over to the long side of the LED. After you have everything soldered together, you're going to come to Mr. Lammers, you're going to get the battery, and we're going to test to make sure that your LED light strip works. Once the battery is connected, flip the switch to the on position, and the LED lights should show up.